Rhode Island has surpassed 18,000 COVID-19 cases with 76 new cases today. Good evening, I'm Mike Montecalvo.
And I'm Shannon Heggie. Here's where things stand right now. The Department of Health says one more person has sadly died from COVID-19, bringing the state's death toll to 997.
And 67 people are in the hospital tonight. This includes 5 in the ICU, 3 on ventilators. Rhode Island's daily positivity rate remains at around 2%. The governor says a big reason the state hasn't seen a resurgence in new cases and hospitalizations is because people are wearing their masks. However, not enough people are following crowd restrictions, particularly at bars.
The governor also addressing concerns about reopening schools. Anita Buffoni joins us now with what the governor had to say.
Shannon and Mike, when it comes to reopening schools this fall, Governor Raimondo and the Education Commissioner said they're trying to address concerns of parents and teachers. Now, what schools will look like when they reopen come August 31st, they say everything is still on the table. The Department of Education is reviewing school districts' plans to reopen, which include multiple scenarios like full in-person learning, partial and full remote learning. The Education Commissioner says it's too early to decide what proposal they will choose.
We are not ready to say we're not going back in person, we're doing this, we're doing that. We're planning. It's the most responsible thing to do.
As a way to increase communication with concerned parents and teachers, Governor Gina Raimondo says she will be hosting a weekly virtual forum on her Facebook page every Thursday at 3 o'clock to talk solely about reopening schools.
We're going to do our best to communicate more, base it on the facts and the science, listen to you, hear your anxieties, and together get ourselves to a place where we can safely return kids to school.
When it comes to testing, the health department announced an expanded partnership with Lifespan to increase nursing home testing locally. This after more than 100 false positive tests were discovered from an out-of-state private lab.
Lifespan will be supporting testing for nursing home staff and residents, both for testing in response to outbreaks as well as for the cyclical testing that we do comprehensively and aggressively to stay in front of outbreaks occurring.
The governor also taking aim at large social gatherings, saying there are too many going on across the state. She says the younger population needs to do better with following the rules.
Wear your damn mask, follow the rules, knock it off with the big parties so we can get everybody back to work.
Now, Governor Raimondo said they are seeing some bars not follow social distancing guidelines. She said there will be some spot checks through the weekend, and if compliance doesn't get better, then more restrictions will be put in place. In the newsroom, I'm Anita Buffoni, Eyewitness News.